Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Jimdo. Open Jimdo and choose a template, then customize layout, text, and images immediately. Add pages, set navigation, and configure basic SEO settings like titles and descriptions. Connect a domain and set up email or publishing preferences before testing on mobile. Preview changes, save drafts, and publish when ready to share your new site with visitors. Choose a template that reflects your brand, then personalize fonts, colors, and spacing to create a cohesive look. Use sections to structure content and drag elements to rearrange layout quickly. Add clear headings and calls to action so visitors know what to do next. Preview on different screen sizes to confirm responsiveness, and keep designs simple to speed up load time and improve user experience across devices. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long building sessions. It's leak-proof and fits most cup holders. It's a handy companion when you're focused on design and debugging, and it keeps you refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Plan your pages around visitor needs and write concise, scannable content that guides readers to take action. Upload optimized images and use galleries to showcase work while keeping file sizes small. Add Jimdo features like contact forms, blog posts, or an online store depending on your goals, and configure basic settings for each. Test interactive elements, set up analytics to track traffic, and iterate content based on visitor behavior to improve results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.